Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy and super delicious boneless chicken curry in Instant Pot. If you're new to cooking or if you're a bachelor who just started learning how to cook, and of course if you are looking for quick and easy chicken recipe, this is my boneless chicken in Instant Pot. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients for our chicken curry. So I have marinated this chicken. These are boneless pieces. I washed them and cut them and added pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, and marinated overnight. And I have a bunch of other ingredients. So I have my Instant Pot ready on saute mode, and I'm going to add all these whole spices. These are some cloves, red chilies, bay leaves, cardamom, some shahi jeera, or you can just use cumin seeds, and cinnamon stick, star anise, and some black pepper corns. So let's add them and then saute it. So I'm going to add onion and tomato. I've added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So let's saute this until it's translucent, and then we will add our tomatoes. Alright, so I have just added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 chopped tomatoes. Since my onion is translucent, I'm going to cook these 2 ingredients well, and I will also add 1 tablespoon of salt, just to get the cooking process faster. So let's saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's totally mashed up. Let's cover it for about 2 minutes. Alright, so my onion and tomato mixture is getting cooked nicely. I'm going to add some spices, so I will add pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, and some garam masala powder. So since we like spicy food, and I've also added red chilies here, I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So let's do that. Let's mix this well. Continue sauteing this mixture until the oil oozes out, and that's when we are going to add our chicken. I've already marinated chicken with some spices, so it's not going to take a lot of time to cook. Alright, so as you can see, the oil is oozing out. That means our masala is almost ready. So I've added about 2 chicken breast pieces. Saute it for about 2 minutes, and then we will add 2 cups of hot water into it and make it cook. Let's add this nice and spicy chicken, adding my hot water from the kettle. You can also use chicken with bone, but I have boneless chicken marinated. I thought of making this. So let's mix this well. Add some chopped coriander if you have, and mix it well, and then we will cook it now. Alright, so let's cancel the saute mode now, and I have my lid on. It is on sealing mode, and let's pressure cook it for 2 minutes. Alright, so after releasing all the pressure, this is how it looks. I just added some more chopped coriander. So I'm going to, the chicken is already cooked, I saw that, but I feel like this gravy is a little liquidish. If you're eating with rice, that's fine. So I'm going to saute it for about 10 minutes and let the water evaporate. and get the gravy thicken up a little. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves, just to get that added flavor. Boil on saute mode. There we go. I've added kasuri methi, and let's cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. And this is ready. Alright, so I sauteed it and kept it on warm. And look at this. Beautiful, nice gravy without grinding any gravy. I just made it instantly in Instapot. Nice and easy way to make quick chicken curry. I hope you like this recipe, and let me serve this in a bowl, and it's ready to eat with rice or roti or Indian bread. And here you go. I served it in a bowl, and right, so I hope you like this quick and easy instant pot chicken curry recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna give it a try at home. Give me your feedback and let me know how you like it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.